I'd like to walk you through here on how to access some of our help and tutorials and Learn articles. So we'll start off on this page here. This is the app.rundiffusion.com. And you can see in the top right here, we have a question mark. You can click on that, and it'll give you the option to chat with support. Or you can scroll down here. You can join our Discord. We have a community there that you can also ask questions to. And scroll down just a little bit farther, you'll have Learn RunDiffusion. And this site here has a lot of great guides and tutorials. So we're going to open that in just a second, but before we get there, we also have here walkthrough tutorials. So let's go see how we can find those real quick. It's telling us to go to the app and then look over here at tutorials. So let's just close this real quick. We'll scroll down here. So here's Automatic 11 on the left side here. We'll click on that. And from Automatic 11.11, we can look over here. There it is, tutorials. And each of the applications have something similar. And tutorials again. Why don't we just click on one real quick, and we can see a couple articles that we can look at. Now, some of these articles might be a little bit dated because they were written similar to when they first came out. That doesn't mean they're not good. It just means that there might be some new extensions and nodes that have been added since they were those original releases. And that's where we're going to go to the tutorials and blog. So let's click up here again. We're going to scroll to Learn RunDiffusion and click Open. And this is going to bring us to learnrundiffusion.com. And you're going to see all of our latest tutorials. They come out every week. So please make sure you're bookmarking this site and keep up to date on all the new applications, the new workflows, and all the new features that we're adding. In addition to the wonderful tutorials, and I say wonderful because I've written a lot of them, we also have what's called our change log here. And you can see here each week some of the things that have changed on the platform. And this is not the only way to access this. Let's go back here because you might be using our new platform called Run It. So let's go to Run It. This is an awesome platform, especially for beginners and professionals. And the reason I say that is because it's got so many cool tools and apps, pre-made, wonderful workflows ready to go. But if you get stuck, same thing applies. Click up here in the top right on that question mark, and that's going to bring us to, again, chat with support. You can join our Discord, and of course, our guides and tutorials right here again. So now that we pop on over here to our guides and tutorials, let's navigate this side a little bit, okay? Well, we've gone through on each of these articles, we have tagged them for you. You can see there's little tags here. This one says support and email verification. So what you can do is up here in the top right, there's a search option. You can click on that, and that's going to give you access to our search bar. Let's go ahead and type in, we'll just type in email. And sure enough, you didn't receive your RunDiffusion email verification right there. You click right there. Maybe you want to learn how to train a Flux LoRa. Sure enough, there we are, Flux LoRa training right there. Or maybe you prefer to use the new Run It platform trainer. So we'll type in Run It. And let's do trainer. There we go. Train your AI models with Run It and LoRa trainer on RunDiffusion. And of course, there's things like frequently asked questions, glossaries, and a lot of other tools that you can have access to here. So I sincerely recommend you bookmark this and please give it a shot. And that's a quick little walkthrough on how to access the RunDiffusion articles and also access the support and some of our guides. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask me on Discord. Have a good day, guys.